Okay, so we got the ceiling panels up, and I've already punched a hole in the top so my trim router can go through, and we're ready to router this out. So take your headphones off and turn the volume down. Here it goes. Here it goes. Like a snow globe. Alright, so pretty much after this, we'll be adding some shelves that will go, get my hood off, that will go on either side of the air conditioner. Let's see. I know, you feel neglected. I left you there just looking at empty space. Okay, so we'll work on these shelves here. They'll go right about here, and then they'll have a top on them and a hole in the bottom for an LED light. And, make sure that it's out of the way because the air conditioner has a filter that pulls up the side, so you've got to make sure it's got it 9 inches up from here to here. So, and they'll be high enough where you shouldn't bump your head on them. So that's it for today. I'm gonna shut it down and have a tasty beverage and just chill out for a while. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate the time y'all spend looking at my channel. I know there's other channels to look at, but wow, thank you.